Welcome, my name is Andrea Russell and this is Good Moves with Well+Good. Today we're doing yoga for arms. We'll be focusing on the shoulders all the way down to the wrists. Let's go ahead and get started. Meet me in a seated position, easy cross-legged. If the knees are higher than the hips, go ahead and sit yourself up on a prop or a blanket, whatever you have in your home, and reach the arms up. Bend the right elbow, grab right below the elbow, lengthen up. Try not to overextend your shoulder too much or lean to the side, lengthen straight up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, move the palm down right in between the shoulder blades. Breathe in, smooth out the ribs. Exhale, take one last big breath in and out. Reach both arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, gentle twist to the right. Left hand to the knee, lift up through the crown of your head. Exhale, option to gaze over the right shoulder. Big breaths in and out. Full breath in through the nose. Exhale. Reach both arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, just take the hands down in front of you as far as you can go. Big breath in. Try and reach the chest towards the front of the space. Exhale, crawl the fingertips forward. If you can fold more, go for it. Breathe in. Exhale. Walk the hands back, sit yourself up. Take the hands behind of you, switch the crossing. So just take the opposite shin in front. Both arms reach up towards the ceiling. This time, exhale, bend the left elbow. Hand comes to the outside of the elbow, lengthen straight up. Breathe in. Exhale, slide the left palm right down below the nape of your neck. Inhale and exhale. Reach both arms up. Inhale. Exhale, gentle twist to the left. Right hand to the knee. Lengthen straight up through the nape of your neck. Exhale, gaze over the left shoulder. Full breath in. Exhale. Last one, pull the navel in towards the spine. Exhale out. Reach both arms straight up. Exhale, hands come down in front of you for this really gentle forward fold. Take a breath in. Hinge the hips forward, broaden through your collarbones. Exhale, creep the fingertips forward. If you can fold more, go for it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Final big breath in through the nose. Exhale. Go ahead and crawl the hands back. We're gonna meet on our hands and knees. Stack the joints right away, knees with hips, shoulders with the wrists, and move the shoulders in big circles here. So you're just warming up through the shoulders, warming up through the wrists. This doesn't have to look perfect or look like anything in particular. Change directions whenever you're ready. Nice, big circles. And then point the fingertips towards your knees. Try and align the wrists here. And once again, you'll take big hip circles. It's okay if your wrists or the heels of your hands lift up just a hair. We're just going for a nice stretch through the backs of the hands, through the palms. Change directions if you haven't already. Point your fingertips forward, tuck your toes, rest your hips back. Put your hands in a fist and then make big circles. Changing directions here. Then take your knuckles together, backs of the hands down onto the floor. I like to really straighten my arms, but this is different for everyone. So you might want to bend your elbows a little bit more, maybe lean back, straighten the arms, big stretch through the front of the hands, maybe shift a little bit side to side. Give the hands a really nice shake. We're gonna meet in a plank pose. Hands towards the front of your mat, tuck your toes, really lift the lower belly. Press down firmly through all 10 knuckles, press the floor away, spread the shoulder blades, look forward. We're gonna work on pressing our shoulders a little bit forward past our wrists. So look at my feet, come on towards the top of my toes, press the heels back. 2 more like this, inhale, come towards the toes. Shoulders come forward, exhale, heels go back. Last one, breathe in. Exhale, heels go back, downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet here, switch to the backs of the legs. And then firm up your dog. As you inhale, come forward to plank pose. Exhale, lower all the way down to your bellies. Point your toes as you inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, tuck your toes, press your hips back. We're back on our hands and knees. Once again, align shoulders right with the wrists. We're gonna work on a pose called turbo dog. So starting on our knees, you're gonna bend your elbows halfway down to the floor. Then in your inhale, straighten your arms. The tendency here can be for chicken wing arms, bending your elbows out to the side. That's not what we want. Elbows come straight back. Inhale. Last one, exhale, elbows come halfway down. Really work the elbows in line with the wrists. Breathe in. Exhale, lower the elbows all the way down, parallel to each other. Tuck your toes, lift your knees, dolphin pose. We may need to keep a little bend in our knees. If that's you, it's okay. Little bend in your knees. Reach your hips up nice and high, shoulders above the wrists, gaze down in between your forearms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lift the shoulders away from the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath in through the nose. Exhale, tap your knees down, child's pose. Hips go back. Take the arms back behind of you. Shake the head a little bit left, a little bit right. Take a deep breath in and out. Crawl the hands out back in front of you. Tuck your toes, absorb your belly, really strong plank pose. Scoot your big toes so that they touch. Spin to the outside edge of your right hand, edge of your right foot. Look up towards your left thumb. Pop that right outer hip up. Reach the left arm towards the front of your space and bend the elbow. Grab behind your neck. Use this as a stretch for your triceps. So turn your head up. Reach forward with the elbow. Knit the ribs together. Breathe in. Exhale, right shoulder blade stays on the back. In and out. Take one last breath in. You got it. Exhale. Left arm reaches up. Exhale, left hand down. Downward facing dog. Coming back forward to plank. Breathe in. Big toes touch. Spin to the left hand, outside edge of the left foot. Reach the right arm up. Gaze up towards the thumb. Inhale. Exhale, left arm reaches towards the front of the room. Bend at the elbow, grab behind the head. Turn the gaze up. Reach the right elbow towards the front of the room. Inhale. Exhale. Big breath in and out. Final breath in through the nose. Exhale. Right arm reaches up towards the ceiling and then back down towards the floor. Exhale, bend the elbows, lower down. Point your toes. Inhale. Low cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes. Move your seat back. Lift the hips. Downward facing dog. Right leg reaches up and back. Exhale, knee in towards nose. Step the right foot next to the right thumb. Ground the back heel down. Spiral open. Warrior two. Eagle wrap. The right elbow underneath the left. Make sure elbows are the same height as the shoulders. Bend into the right knee so that it's over the ankle. Gaze over the right shoulder. So elbows stay in front of your body. The gaze is the only thing that moves. Take a breath in and out. Breathe in. Exhale. Take one more breath in. Exhale. Unwind the arms. Reverse warrior. Left hand to the thigh. Right arm reaches up and back. Exhale. Take both hands down to the floor. Step back. Downward facing dog. Left leg lifts. Exhale, knee in towards nose. Step the left foot next to the left thumb. Ground your back heel down. Spiral open. Warrior two. This time, eagle wrap the left elbow underneath. Inhale. Exhale. Gaze over the left shoulder. Again, elbows same height as the shoulders. Press the forearms away from you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale. Unwind the arms. Reverse warrior. Left arm reaches up and back. Big stretch through the left side of the body. Exhale. Hands to the floor. Step back. Downward facing dog. Take the gaze and the shoulders a little bit forward. We're going to come into turbo dog once again. So make sure the elbows are coming halfway down towards the floor. Right in line with the wrists. Straighten the arms. Two more. Exhale, halfway down. Breathe and lift. Last time, exhale, halfway down, hover. And then if you can manage it, try and lower both elbows at the same time. Palms pressing down firmly. Lift the shoulders away from the floor. Option to walk your feet in. Keep pressing the forearms down into the floor. If you're here and you feel stable and comfortable, lift your favorite leg up. Reach through the ball of the foot, keeping the hips square. Take a few breaths. Lower the foot down. Lift the opposite leg. One more breath here. Breathe in. Wherever you are, both feet on the floor. Tap the knees down. Child's pose. Take a breath. Thanks for joining. If you want more good moves, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel right there. Go ahead, do it.